The Farberware 8.25 10-inch fry pan set offers two useful sizes. You get an 8.25-inch pan and a 10-inch pan in one box. These pans are made of stainless steel. Steel is strong and can last for a long time. They are silver and will look good in your kitchen. This set meets many basic cooking necesidades. These Farberware 8.25 10-inch fry pan set pans are easy to care for. You can wash them in the dishwasher. This makes cleanup a breeze after cooking. The stainless steel material helps with even heating. So, your food should cook well and not have hot spots. These pans can handle different stovetops for compatibility. The Farberware 8.25 10-inch fry pan set is a practical choice. It gives you two essential pan sizes. They are made from durable steel. Cleaning them is easy, and they should last while they might not have fancy shortcuts. They get the job done. For basic cooking rates, this set is a solid pick, and replacements, if needed down the line, are usually easy to find. Pros: even heat distribution, oven safe up to 350 degrees F, dishwasher safe, comfortable handles, classic design, two useful sizes, good value for price, trusted brand. Cons: food can stick easily, may require more oil, can be harder to clean, might discolor over time. Handles can get hot, uneven heating possible, lighter weight might warp, not the thickest. Steel, basic, no special features, lids may not be tight features. 10-inch, stainless steel, mirror finish, full cap base, aluminum core, even heating, oven safe 350 F, dishwasher safe. This Farberware classic frying pan set has two silver stainless steel pans, one 8.25 inches and the other 10 inches. They have a shiny, mirror-like finish and a special bottom that helps heat spread evenly because of an aluminum layer inside. These pans can go in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and can be washed in the dishwasher. They are made to heat food well. This Farberware frying pan set includes 8.25-inch and 10-inch silver stainless steel skillets with a classic design. They heat food evenly and are safe to use in the oven up to 350 degrees F and in the dishwasher. Plus they have comfy handles. While they are a good value from a trusted brand, food might stick, you may need more oil, and they could be harder to clean or change color over time. Also, the handles can get hot. Heating might not always be even. The lighter weight could lead to warping. The steel isn't super thick. They lack special features, and the lids might not fit tightly.